Right, today is the day we are changing the diesel filter. So unlike the other Citroen, this one is a tiny one. You don't have to remove the housing, so just remove this cover here, this flimsy French thing. There we go. And that's the diesel filter here. So remove two pipes. One is inlet in here and one goes to the injectors. Okay, then there is a electric cable there. This cable needs to come out. All right, so first of all, these pipes. Now with this, you can do it in two ways. You can remove the whole thing if you want to clean the housing. Let me just get a torch. Right, that's better. We have a light. My helper is here, so it's holding the torch for me. Okay, so the pipes go out, the cable go out. Now you can do this in two ways. You can remove the whole housing with the filter inside and clean it if you want to clean it and all that, or you can just remove the pipes and remove the top part and remove the filter, pop in the new one and then close it up. Okay, so first things first, the cable, you just push it that way and then there, it's out. And then the diesel pipe, this you press these tabs. These two tabs, one is on this side, one is on this side. You pull back this, you pull this upward. Need a screwdriver, I think. And let me just, okay, I think there's a thing here that you lift up, I guess. Maybe the whole thing, no. Very strange. Oh, there you go. Something is coming up. That's the lock. There. Looks like that's the lock there. Okie dokie, yeah, it's gone up. So then I guess this pipe is supposed to just pull out. No, it doesn't pull up. I need to do this with two hands. I think maybe I need to press this down and then pull out, but I cannot do with one hand. This one, two tabs, one here, the other one on the other side, then it comes out. All right, the pipes are out. Because of this pipe here being a bit too stiff, maybe you may need to remove the whole housing, but I think that will create more unnecessary work. So as you can see, I started turning it with one of these. If you have a ratchet, which I have but I don't have it here, sometimes when I do jobs, very strange, I forget to get the tools. Make life easy with a ratchet. Then I'm going to get a ratchet. Right, I got the ratchet now, so makes life easier. You go on, my helper, come on. Yeah, keep going. Yeah. So this is how you can do. You can just remove the cap, pull the filter out and put a new one, or you can remove the whole housing. I think it's out now.
Yeah, it's out.
Remove the tube. Yeah, hold the torch. All right. So it's out now. Now with this, I'll just explain this after removal. Yeah, it will be dripping diesel, so you need to wait for diesel to
it's still
to get finished from the filter, or else you're gonna make a mess everywhere. on top of the engine. Okay, so okay, just put it like this and then get cloth, cover all this here with, put a cloth like here, so that at least diesel goes on the cloth, not on the engine itself. All right, so
It's still dripping. I think you left it in the diesel.
there you have it. There's the diesel, the filter. Okay, so it's a little bit different from the one that I bought. Okay, hold this. All right. Okay.
Beautiful.
Different stuff, different style. Maybe it's the original one. Just dry my hands. This is the new one here. So let's just see the height. If they're the same height, it will be all right. It's like
They do
this
look a bit
other one
different.
is a bit shorter. What the hell? It's
Oh yeah,
like,
actually.
yeah, this one has kind of plastic around it.
Yeah.
I don't get it why it's like this. Maybe I bought a different type. I have to go to the shop to change it.
Really?
And actually get the injector cleaner, which I really want. So I'll just put this back and then go to the shop with this and ask them to give me this one. Okay, so I'll put the cap back on just to cover, so that no rubbish can go in there. Okay. This stop camera now. All right, we took off the filter, this one, and this is the one we bought from General Traffic. Now I took this back to General Traffic to say, no, look, they're different, I want this. So they said this is the OG, original or genuine part from the manufacturer. It's more expensive and I will have to order it. This one will still do the same job, but it's not a good quality as this. Well, what I decided to do is I'll just put this one in, okay, because every time I change oil I'll just change this anyway. So but this is the original one. Okay, I was surprised when I take it out. I was like, oh, I was expecting it to look like this. That's how it is sometimes when you buy junk stuff, you get something different. So I'm gonna pop this one in and also change the seal. I just took off the old one, so I'm putting this one on this. Okay, there it is, ready to go in. Okay, so as I said before, you can remove the whole thing, the housing, and change it that way. Now what I normally do when I change a diesel filter is I put Wine's injector cleaner. This stuff I pour a little bit in there and then put the filter in. Okay, so that is exactly what I'm going to do. I always do that, and I will do it because this helps to clean the injectors. That's what we are told. I cannot verify that, so I'll just say that's what they told us. This cleans injectors. can put it in the tank, but putting it there is closer to the injectors. I think is more effective here than in the tank. The rest I'll put it in the tank anyway. All right, I've put wine's injector cleaner, so now I'm tying this. Now because this is plastic, you have to make sure that you tie it first by hand so that it goes into those grooves. If you don't tie it by hand, you might end up damaging this plastic, and you'll be in serious trouble after that, because you'll have to get a new housing. All right, so I'm gonna fasten it now. Tight. When you tie it, it will stop when it's in this direction. See the pipes now can go in, like here it's facing this way. If they're facing somewhere else, know that there's something wrong. So it's okay, that one is in, then this one goes in there. You have to push it very hard. What happens here with this clip, you pull it up and then you press this down, pull the pipe out. Okay, putting it back in, you just push it in and then you press down here, it locks, so it's not coming out. This one as well, it's not coming out, it's fully in, so it don't come out. Now it's time for the electric cable. There we go. Okay, locked. And then so, okay, now we just need to wipe clean everything. So it's very easy to do. It's not as complicated as I thought. Actually, the old one is complicated because we have to remove the housing to do it, but this one you don't have to. You can remove the housing if you want, or just do it without removing the housing. Okay, this goes there, so that's good. So now we're going in, because there will be air in the system. It needs to be taken out, and I will show you how it's done. So that's it. Okay, one more time. Okay, I'm gonna start it now. Okay, there it started. So the air came off the system, so it's okay now. So it's idle. You can just leave it idling for a couple of minutes just to make sure that everything is all right. As you can see, I have a little spanner there. It's because the car is ready for oil change and oil filter change as well. So that will be in the next video. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Just a second, let me just turn the camera around. Say thank you very much for watching. I'm with my helper, so we'll see you on the next. Well, you will see us on the next one. Bye.
Bye.